Hello. So, after a long time, welcome back to Indian Cybersecurity Solution with another topic: malware hidden in images. So, what is this? Steganography basics. Why I have taken the topic name Steganography? What is this? So, we will discuss in this live. Okay, fine. So, hope so you are doing well. So, starting from the beginning, what is this? What is steganography? How a attacker, how a terrorist means recently one attack has been happened in the Delhi. I think you are a bomb blast attack. So how this is happening? How the attacker, the terrorist, able to know the message, the exact time, the exact message. So in this session, in this live, I will explain you each and everything and try to investigate that topic, that how the communication happen among the attacker and the terrorist. You can say that. Okay, fine. So what is malware? Malware. So do you know about malware? Any idea upon that? What is malware? So basically, malware is a malicious software which has been created to harm our system, in our system. Okay, like that. And so that terrorists are also a malware in our country. How they have been communicating and exploited that bomb. Okay. Okay. Wait a second. Yes. Hello. Yeah, I'm facing some internet issue. That's why it is having some problem. Okay. Okay. So introduction to steganography. What is steganography? Steganography means to hide the text. Means if I will share a picture to you all, and I will hide the text upon that, you cannot able to find it. What I have hidden on that image. What is the input? What is the text file? I will show you. Okay. So basically, steganography involves embedding hidden information within significantly innocuous files such as images, audio, or video. This technique not only secure the message but also makes presence undetectable. If I will share a PDF file, PDF file or the photo images, then you cannot able to think that I have hidden a message over there. Okay. So how to decode that? We will try to encode and decode both in this session. Okay. So what also makes it presence undetectable means if I will share you, you don't know that yes, in this picture the text has been hidden. You cannot able to understand, na? So allowing for confidential communication in various contexts. Okay, it is a confidential means anyone cannot able to know that. Next, to types of malware. So how many types of malware? There are a lot of type of malware. So we will discuss some of them over here. So definition: it is a malicious software, okay, which is harmful program that compromises computer system. Okay, it can disrupt operations, steal sensitive information, causes significant damage to files and network. Next one is viruses. So what is virus? Viruses are the type of malware that attach themselves to legitimate software or files, spreading from one system to another when the infected program is executed. They can corrupt or delete data and often spread through email attachment or download. If I will share you using this, if I will create a virus file and share to you through mail or phishing attack, social engineering attack, then you will able to fish. No, means whatever the files in your system, it will corrupt or it has been spread through. Sorry, it will be infected, it will be hamper, something like that. Okay, I'm giving you a code. Just wait. I'm just giving a virus code and the worm code. Okay, first of all, let me explain you. Next one is worm. So worms are similar to virus. It is also similar to virus, but it is self-replicated. Once executed, it will automatically run and create a lot of file in the system or in the network. Okay, they exploit vulnerabilities in operating system and cause widespread damage without intervention. Means without user intervention, I will not interact with that file, but it will run automatically. Auto. It is a auto command. Once executed, it will run auto and it will hamper our system. Okay. Next one, Trojan horse. It will explain you that yes, I am the legitimate software, and I have the main use in our system. We will do work on our system, but at the backside, it is having some malicious code. It is trying to open vulnerability, try to create a vulnerability or something like that. It will open a port to enter attacker. Okay, so user unknowing install them, leading to data breaches or system compromises. If I will share you a file, that this file is the PDF file, you have installed that PDF. In the background, I have shared the Trojan horses file. So what will happen in your system? Vulnerability will get created, and I can access your system easily. Next one is ransomware. I think you all are aware with it. Ransomware. What is ransomware? Ransomware basically encrypt our files, locks user. Ransomware is particularly harmful type of malware that locks user out of their system or files, each and everything. If I will inject a ransomware in your system now, but whatever the files you have in your C drive, D drive, each and everything, it will get encrypted, and anyone cannot able to decrypt that, because on that file it will demand for a password. So that password is within me, means I have created the ransomware and that password is with me, and I will give that password, then only that files and folder will get decrypted, decode. So for that you need to pay some money to me. Okay, next one, how steganography works, how it is working, means the working of steganography. So message preparation. So we will create a message. The original message is prepared and converted into a suitable format such as binary for embedding. After that, we will go to carrier medium selection. A carrier medium like an image or audio file. We can choose the image file over here. If you need for the audio file, I will give you the details of that, how you will encode the audio file and decode that. Okay. Data embedding. The message is embedded within the carrier by manipulating specific data points such as pixel value in image. So what is pixel? I will explain you. Okay. Then in message retrieval, the hidden message can be retrieved through specific tool that analyze the carrier medium without altering it. Means we can, if I will share, means I have a picture I have shared with you all. So you cannot able to alter that message. You don't know how it has been decoded. Okay. So if I want to share that, I have created a picture, and that picture I need to share one of the person. So I cannot able to share directly to them. So it will take a minimum. If I will post that picture on social media, and that attacker or the victim has downloaded its image, or they know how to decode that, they can able to decode that image file. Anyone in between cannot able to alter that file. So types of steganography, image steganography. Let's discuss about image steganography, how it has been happen. So first of all, take the command. I am giving a command for virus. Use this code. This is the basic virus. If you can use, you can take a screenshot of this virus command. Save it in the notepad and save the file as .bat file. Means whenever you are saving this file, create a file name, whatever the file name and .bat file. Create like this in the Windows machine with the help of notepad. Okay, and try to execute it. This will create a loop, means echo of colon x start winward start cmd. All the file will get automatically open one by because it is creating a loop. Go to x means it will go to x and it is creating a loop. Okay, forward, this is the worm. This will create a lot of file in our system, a lot of file. Within 1 minute it will create thousands of files in our system. Then random files. Okay, this is the count, which it is also creating a loop. That's why it is creating a lot of file in our system. Try to execute in the by creating a folder, not using the desktop or download, because whatever the file will be present, it will also, you cannot able to delete, you need to stop that execution and you need to delete one by one. That's why I'm telling you, just create a folder over there, run that, it will be easy for you to delete. Directly click that folder and delete it, exact entire folder. Okay, so how a steganography work? So for this is a tool, Steganography Online. This is a tool. We will use a file and try to encrypt a message. So for that we need a image file. So we can download the image file from here over here. Indian Cybersecurity Solution image. So this is the image. Try to save. I will save this image over here. I have saved this picture over my file. Okay. After that, what I will do, I will just go on this tool Steganography Online. It is available in the GitHub. Going to the choose file and just click upon this file and try to open that. This is the original file. And over here, I need to write a text. Means if I want to hide any text, any message to share with anyone, so I need to hide this text part. So over here, hello team. So at 5:30 p.m. we will meet up at India Gate. So everyone come at time. Okay, like that. Whatever the message we can write, or we can just write till here. Okay, and I will click encode. When I will create a encode now, so see message hidden anyway. Right click, we will click and save image as. After that also I will just give encode file. Encode file. Okay, I have saved that image also. Now the topic is how we will delete. If you will check this image, nothing is different. Same as the previous one. But this image has a secret key. Means the text, whatever the text we have added, it is present over here. So how it is been present, how it has been working, I will explain you. But just decode that. How we will decode that, let me explain you that. So go to encode. We have encoded this file. Okay, try to going to decode over here, choose file, and this encode file I will just open and decode. So see, hello team, at 5:30 p.m. we will meet up at the Indian Gate. It is showing over here. The message has been decoded. This is very easy tool, but how the attacker, how the terrorist is using like this, means how it is been used basically. So let me explain. So this is a person A, person A, and there is a person 2, person B, you can say. So he needs to, how the attack has been happened in Delhi. In Delhi, they have planned a pre-plan that yes, this bomb will go to India Gate, near the India Gate, and it will be blast over there. So how they have communicated, how the communication has been built on that time. It might be possible that they have used this steganography technique. means they cannot able to directly message him or call him that yes, go and blast that bomb over there, like that. They have just created a fake message. How they have been done with it using the steganography technique, means they have just created a file, the picture, and they have just posted on the social media or anywhere. And he also know that this, yes, this is the technique which we communicate. So he has just downloaded that picture, means he has posted on the social media, means like Facebook. He has just posted the Facebook on his group or profile, on a profile. So when person B able to see that yes, one of the person has been posted a picture. So he has just downloaded that picture. The person B has downloaded that picture, downloaded that picture, and just decode that, and it will be visible to, and it will be visible to all of them. To what are the text message has been encrypted by the person A. So these all are the techniques they are using to for attacking, for the terrorist attack. Okay, how this image has been encrypted, let's discuss upon that. Okay. So same as audio steganography, there is also online tools audio steganography. Over there we can also decode the encode the audio message, and we can also decode that part. Okay, net going to hiding a text file in image, how it is been done? Converting text to binary. So when we have done, wait, let me, converting text to binary. So it has been converted into binary, means in a binary 8 digit. Let me explain. The process of hiding a text file in an image start with converting the text to binary form. We have just converted that text into a binary format, which allows it to represent it as a series of bits. So there will be 8 bit with pixel. I think you all know that in the picture there will be pixels. So at the last print, LSB, least significant bit, means if I will explain you. So basically this is the picture, if you will say this is the picture, and each pixel has this is a picture, and each pixel it has been created using the pixels, means it is a lot of pixels over here. I think whenever we focus, we zoom on the picture, it will get blurred. So these all are the pixel in the box format, in the box. Least significant means the right hand side is the last significant bit. That 8 bit means it is basically present in the 8 bits. 8 bits means like the picture will be like RGB color, mm, 0 1 0 1, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the, but over here we have just changed one of the bit, means whenever we are sending any file na, means this steganography, if you will go to encode, so at last bit it has been just written this message, we will hello team at 5:30, and we cannot able to see, means we cannot able to check, we cannot able to analyze that in which bit the message has been hidden, because we cannot able to see with the naked eye. Okay, if you will see, it is not present na. See, anywhere we cannot able to identify that yes, it has been written over here. From the naked eye we cannot able to identify that yes, in this picture any text message has been hidden. So using this 8 bit 0 1 0 1 0, over here we just add our text. So image start with converting the text to binary format, which allows it represented a series of bits. The binary data has been embedded with the image by altering the least figure. We altered the least significant bit. That's the last one at the right hand side. The last bit we have just altered, and we have written our text message, and we cannot able to any person cannot able to identify with their naked eye. Okay, of the pixel value, ensuring that the changes are imperceptible to the human eye. We cannot able to check. This technique not only conceals the text file but also maintains the original appearance. So basically, the appearance is not getting damaged. The way we have just downloaded the image, the way it has been present, nothing changes, nothing. At the last bit, it is just changing, and we cannot able to identify that yes, over here it has been present or not. Yeah. So utilizing software tools, so which tool which we have used, that the name Steganography online. To successfully hide a text file which an image, specified software tool or often employed this tool automate the process of data conversion and insertion. Basically, we don't need to do manually. We using this tool we have done to conceal message without requiring technical knowledge. So any person don't need the technical knowledge. When the attack has been happened in Delhi, the bomb blast. So the technique, the person who have done that bomb blast, he know the technically means he is not aware aware with that cyber security, this part, this tool. We don't need, if I will show you that how it has been encode and decode, it is enough to you all, because it is present in the website, in the browser. Everyone can access that. So, ensuring stealth and integrity, care should be taken when hiding text in images, as overly large files or vicious patterns in modified pixels can lead to detection. Means, if I will create, uh, wait. So over here, na, if I will create a lot of text over here, so then it will be visible. See over here, the binary, the file has been editing binary representation of a message. This is the binary message. Hello team, I think you know about binary conversion. If I will add a lot of text over here, so it will be visible. It will be showing that yes, a lot of file I am just trying to send it. Okay, once I will try to encode that this is the binary file of my text. See, if I will copy image, save image as, now saving as content, saved. Then also anyone cannot able to understand what is being written as the last significant bit, because this is the color is white basically. But it can be detect, means it can be detectable, means if we are sending some a lot of file, means we are sending malware, means I have the code basically where mm, I have a code, malware code, this one, that previous one. Yeah, ransomware, Trojan horses. If I have the code and I am trying to send this code to anyone, so how I will proceed with it? Because some if I will share directly to anyone, that code means if I want to share that code using the WhatsApp, or it will try to detect, means it will get detected that yes, this is a malware, this is a malware by our, if I will send, try to send using this laptop, it will, my firewall, my Windows Defender will detect that yes, it is a malware file, it is a malware file. It will try to block, or it will say to delete me. But if I will just copy that code and try to hide in that image, so anyone cannot able to understand. And if I will share the file of that image to you using the WhatsApp, it will not be detectable. Anyone cannot able to understand. Our machine, our WhatsApp is also cannot able to understand that yes, over in this picture, at the back end, in the binary, at the last word, it has been change, the text has been shared. So if I want to share, I can share using this technique. Okay, this kind of technique basically everyone is using across the world, or basically it has been using that attack vector, means the terrorist attack, they are using that part. Okay, when if I will go and decode that part, content.png, if you will see, I have just added a last letter, whatever, anything, and it has been showing over it. Okay, so this is the technique. So if you need this tool, just go to search steganography online. Steganography, steganography, GitHub. Just go over here and try to access this. It will be visible over here. Okay. Okay, fine. So I have shared a Google form in the URL in the comment section. Try to access that and try to give the exam. If you will getting 8 or 9 marks upon that, upon 10, then you will be we will provide you the certificate that you have attend the live workshop. Okay. Hope so. It has been understand to everyone.